Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a professional dark modern bedroom lighting setup in Corona Renderer. Notice the overall lighting in the scene, the soft ambient light, realistic lighting direction, natural shadows and detailed reflection combine. First, we'll adjust the ambient lighting using Corona Sky and Corona color correction. Go to the Corona Sky setting, change the sky model to Hosek and Wilkie. Next, reduce the intensity to create softer and more natural ambient lighting. After that, we will use color correction to increase the depth of the environment. Lower the gamma value slightly and set the saturation to -1. That removes unwanted color cast and gives the scene a cleaner, more realistic atmosphere. Now open the corner scene, single map and assign instant and start interactive render. And evaluate the result. You should notice a much better ambient atmosphere with improved depth and a more balanced overall look. I usually keep the Corona Sky intensity between 0.35 and 0.40 depending on the scenes. Try adjusting this value to see how the effect the ambient depth, environment lighting and the overall mood of your render until you achieve the look you are aiming for. Now let's set up the tux lighting. For this I will use Corona light material. To achieve a realistic light color, I will use a Corona color. Set the color temperature using Kelvin value 3300. Corona light material. For now I will keep the intensity at 4. This is just a starting point and I will fine tuning it later based on the overall lighting balance of the scene. Now I set up the ceiling cove lighting. For the cove light I use a Corona rectangle lighting. As a starting point, I'll set the intensity to 450, 450. This is just an initial value. Go to the visibility option. Keep visible directly enable and disable follow the option. Visible in the reflection, visible in the refraction, generate caustic, occlude other light. For this setup, we will only use the initial visibility setting to keep the lighting clean, improve rendering performance, and avoid unnecessary reflection or refraction. We will fine tuning intensity and other parameter later as we continue building the lighting setup. To make my lighting setup faster and more efficient, I use a plugin called Autolight. This plugin allows me to place lighting instantly in different area of the scene, which significantly speed up my workflow. Using Autolight, I quickly set up lighting for the headboard, action light, TV unit, display shelf, and cabinet. I also use it to create wall cabinet lighting, open shelf lighting, and inner shelving lighting with just a few clicks. Instead of placing each lighting manually, this plugin helped me build a clean and consistent lighting setup in a fraction of the time. Now keep watching as I show you exactly how I use this plugin to create a professional lighting setup step by step. These are the renders I create after completing the entire lighting setup. As you can see, this scene has a realistic lighting direction, sharp natural shadows, accurate reflection, and well balanced ambient lighting. All of these elements work together to create a cleaner, realistic, and visually appealing environment. This is the kind of lighting setup I use to achieve professional quality architectural visualization. If you found this tutorial helpful and to learn something new, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your support motivates me to create more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.